How to install a cooling fan on your Raspberry Pi. In this video, I'll show you how to install a cooling fan on your Raspberry Pi board. If you're running demanding projects or keeping your Pi on for long periods, a fan helps prevent overheating and keeps things running smoothly. Let's get started. First, remove the protective sheet from the fan's adhesive pad. You'll notice a blue sticky cushion underneath it. It's designed to sit directly on top of the Pi's main components, like the CPU and memory. And take note of these two holes on the Pi board. These align with the white plastic mounting posts on the cooling fan. Carefully line them up and press the mounting posts down firmly so it's secure. You'll hear a pop. Once secured, they cannot be removed easily. Next, we'll connect the fan to the board. Look for the small white fan connector behind the USB port. There's a tiny plastic cap over it. Just pop it off. Now, with a yellow wire on the left, plug the fan connector into the port. Make sure it's fully seated. Now it's time to power on your Raspberry Pi. The fan should begin spinning automatically when the Pi heats up. If it doesn't spin at all, shut down the Pi and double check the connection. And that's it. You've successfully installed a cooling fan on your Raspberry Pi.